Weather with Chief Meteorologist Gary Frank.
Taking a peek at Desert Doppler for once. We're getting the cobwebs off of it because we haven't used it in so long. We've only got 0.07 of an inch all year long, and not that we're going to change that, but it's nice to see some greenery on it just to the north of Tucson. So it's something, right? And for the most part, we're staying nice and clear. And if you take a look outside, you see a lot of sunshine, but there were some clouds off to the very, very southeast. It's just been a pretty nice evening, and we're going to continue. Just a nice light breeze that will pick up. In fact, Imperial Valley, you say light breeze. What is that? It hadn't been that way all day, and you're right. 97 right now, cooler as a result of that wind that we've gained throughout the day, but 8% humidity, rising just a shade, but we're still going to be in the criterion for a red flag warning because of the winds. Now picking up in Yuma, 21, 29 in Imperial, 28 in Blythe, gusting near 40 as expected in Imperial Valley, now at 30 in Yuma, so very, very breezy conditions. And it will persist over the next couple of hours now through 7 p.m., especially before the sun sets. That's when we're going to see the highest chance for mostly because of the fact that we're so dry, and that's coupled with the wind. As we look at SkyALERT Windcast, by midnight, that's when we shut the winds off a little bit, 10 to 15 overnight. I think we're going to see a majority of the area even breezier in Imperial Valley, so ignore the models for that. This evening, 96 to 102, gusting to 30 as expected, so just keep that in mind. If you're headed out the door, it's going to be a breezy one, and if you have allergies, keep that in mind as well. Tomorrow, we'll see most of this finally shutting off as we move forward. Wednesday and Thursday, single digits return as far as winds are concerned. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour to start the day, 77 up to 94, and we'll stay nice and light, but staying shy of 100. Something. That's something, right? That's actually a pretty comfortable temperature for us this time of the year. Let's be honest, 94 up to 99. A nice 10 to 15 mile an hour breeze to cool us off when you jump out of the pool. Much, much cooler. 47 in Salt Lake City, higher elevation, seeing snow. I saw pictures of it. Hard to believe that stuff still exists this time of the year, all due to this strong low pressure. And as we push this into motion, it finally starts to fall apart, and high pressure builds and high temperatures come back as a result. Average is 105, so we're actually below it tomorrow. How about that? 99, maybe long sleeves? Probably not, let's be honest as well. Again, 105 back to normal, and then we get very hot by the weekend. First day of summer, Saturday, 3:55 a.m., and it's going to feel a lot like summer does here. Actually, it could be much worse, and we'll get there at some point, just not in the next 7 days. 109, near 110. Just got to take advantage of this small break coming up. But just hit the pool, hang out, stay cool, stay indoors, and you'll be just fine. Back to you.